On this video, I'm going to give you 5 of the most important skincare products that basically everyone should use from a holistic plastic surgeon. Every morning, it's absolutely essential to apply a vitamin C serum to your skin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, and antioxidants fight free radicals or oxidation of our skin. Free radicals can damage the DNA of our skin, and free radicals are made from just our body's natural metabolism, but you can also get free radicals from eating ultra-processed foods, from pollution in the air, from cigarette smoking, and other unhealthy behaviors. Free radicals and oxidation are one of the main agers of our skin, so it is so incredibly important to fight them off and to neutralize them with antioxidants. Now, vitamin C is the most popular antioxidant in skincare, and most big skincare lines have a vitamin C serum. But bonus, there was a study that found that if you combine vitamin C with vitamin E, you can get a synergistic effect. And what that means is that their antioxidant abilities are actually much greater when you combine vitamin C and E than when you use them separately. And this is why SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic is one of the most popular vitamin C serums of all time, and why I created my own Youn Beauty CE antioxidant serum. I believe that we are going to learn more and more that the microbiome of our skin is super important to our skin's health. Well, like our gut has a microbiome, our skin has a microbiome as well. And these are the trillions of bacteria that live on the surface of our skin and help with our skin's daily functions. Now, we are just in our infancy of learning just what the microbiome of our skin does and how important it is to our skin's function and its form. But forward-looking skincare companies are now creating probiotic products as a way to help support the microbiome of your skin. So if you want to support your skin's microbiome and possibly reduce inflammation of your skin, then look for a probiotic-rich serum or cream that you can apply every day. If you were to ask dermatologists and plastic surgeons what their #1 recommended anti-aging skincare ingredient is, they would answer that it is a retinoid. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A, and they come in prescription strength, which is tretinoin or retin-A, and non-prescription strength, which is retinol or retinal. Prescription strength retin-A or tretinoin has been shown in studies to thicken the skin, to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, to fade age spots, and to even reverse early pre-skin cancers. So that is a lot that this prescription strength cream does. But the problem with tretinoin and retin-A is that it is very strong and can be very hard to tolerate on your skin. A lot of people who apply these retinoids to their skin find that their skin within a few days gets red, it gets flaky and itchy, and it can literally feel like your skin is on fire. So the people who tend to tolerate retin-A or tretinoin the best are people who have thicker, more oily prone skin. But if you've got thinner or more sensitive skin, then you may want to consider a retinol. Retinol, once again, is an over-the-counter version of a retinoid, and most people can tolerate a retinol cream pretty well. So this is usually the place that I recommend most people start because most big skincare lines contain a retinol type of a moisturizer or a cream. And bonus, it's usually not all that expensive. Do you use makeup wipes to wipe off your makeup every day? Well, if you do, try something different. Micellar water or cleansing oils are great ways to remove the makeup off of your face in a much more gentle fashion than makeup wipes. Most dermatologists agree that using makeup wipes essentially just rubs the makeup all over your face and is not really the best way to remove it. So micellar water and cleansing oils are usually the first step of a double cleanse. And that first step is to remove the day's worth of grime, dirt, buildup, and makeup. And you do this with either micellar water or a cleansing oil, and then you follow this up with your regular cleanser. And in general, that would be a foaming cleanser if you have more oily skin, or a milky or hydrating cleanser if you have drier skin. So these are 4 skincare products that I recommend that everybody use. What is #1? You may be surprised that I'm putting Bakuchiol at #1 and not retinol. Well, Bakuchiol is derived from the bobchi plant, and this is a natural product that has been used for centuries in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. There was a study that compared the effects of Bakuchiol to retinol head-to-head and found them to have very similar anti-aging properties for the skin. But one big difference was that Bakuchiol did not result in the skin irritation that retinol did. And so for those of you who maybe have tried retinol and you found that it wasn't great for your skin because you got real dry and flaky and it never went away, definitely I recommend trying Bakuchiol. Or better yet, even if you are doing well with retinol, why not add a Bakuchiol moisturizer to the mix? You don't have to use just one anti-aging skincare ingredient. You can potentially use two if you have the means. So if I had to pick two anti-aging ingredients to use every night for the skin, I would pick retinol and Bakuchiol. Well, did you know that if you spent just 2 minutes a day on your skincare, that within about 2 months you could look upwards of 5 years younger? Yes, we tested it out on people, and I give you the 2 minutes, 5 years younger skincare routine in this video right here. You don't have to do tons of steps to get beautiful, healthy looking skin. Just follow what I recommend right up here. And remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and auto-rejuvenate before you operate.